part of that. I don't think that I live in fear of it. I think I'm just trying to be very mindful of it. We talk about safety. I think we also, it gets into things as simple as like, your child cutting their own dinner, and using a knife. And so what I've tried to do as well, instead of saying, well, you're not ready for that, is, you try to help them, or you're very close by and you watch and you teach them how to do it, which brings up another thing. Like when we're camping, a lot of people have knives. They have like a pocket knife or, something to use when they're camping. And so it's the same thing. We've taught the children how to use the knife properly. And so that's something where education is really important, and the dangers of it, and what can happen, and those are the types of things I think that are important, is just educating them on proper ways to do things so that the safety is a priority, but it's not inhibiting you. Oh, you can't use that knife because you'll cut yourself. Well, if you know how to do it, you are less likely to cut yourself, but certainly there's still risk. And kind of letting them understand. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that clip. If you want more just like it, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got a ton of videos just for dads.